Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. Got to tune up today on the Lincoln 2 Plus. This is from Marshall in Colorado. Okay, Marshall, we're on AM right now. Turn the power all the way down. And we'll take a look up here. Okay, got 10 watts on the top scale. Turn this down for right now. 1 watt all the way down. I'm going to go to the next scale now, so that's 10, 20, 30. And turn it all the way up. 12. And we'll do peak power on this 100 watt slug over here. It's 40, 60, 50 is that little line right there. All right. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And while we're on the scope, I'm going to go right to sideband. And show you that waveform there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is single sideband. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio, 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 audio. That's about 48. Okay. FM. FM all the way down. It's a little under 1 watt and all the way up. Right at 30 watts. Okay. I think that's it. Let's see if you can hear what it sounds like. Audio. No, we're on FM here. Audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. Probably adjust the echo a little, but sounds good.